G'day guys, we are back at Costco on this beautiful day. Let's go in and see what they've got this week. Gotta focus on looking at snacks today. They have these strawberry waffles, 12 pack, $18.99. All little individually packaged waffles, ready to eat. They have these donuts here. That's a lot of donuts. 12 pack, $7 off, $19.99. Look at all these donuts. Oh my gosh, my kids would demolish them. How nice do they look? They've got a 12 pack of tortillas for $8.39. Oh, so there's 3 packs of 12. Tortillas original, extra soft. So 36 for $8.39. Wow, what are these? Crostoli, vanilla Crostoli King party pack, $18.99. Oh, they look nice and sweet. Look at them, party pack, made in Australia. That's a big box. Organic grain bites. Simply grain bites, $23.99. Pretty heavy. A little individually portioned bite-sized snack. Omega-3 fiber. Yeah. What's in there for? $23.99. Time to check out the cakes. Let's have a look. It's not too full today. These Black Forest cakes. Always look at the birthday cakes. They've got balloons. They've got a present. They've got some empty ones up there you can decorate yourself. Happy birthday and a rainbow. 2.9 kilo cake for $34.99. Mini Danish pack, $13.99 for this 16 pack of mini Danishes. Look at all those. Got like raspberry ones with nuts, I think. Look at them. Yummy. Costco muffins, can't beat it. You get pick any 2 packs for $12.99. You've got the chocolate here, double chocolate muffins, and butter pound muffins. What are the ones over here? There's some blueberry ones over there, and some walnut and banana muffins. French pan au chocolat 16 pack. It smells so nice in the bakery today. Oh my gosh. $9.99 for a 16 pack. Look, they've got chocolate inside. Very nice. Yeah, it smells so yummy here. It's making me hungry. Sushi tray, 16 pieces for $15. Crispy chicken and smoked salmon sushi. And they have the massive trays down here. 48 pieces for $42. Look at that sushi.
1 kilo in the bag.
Ah, breaded pops. Beef sausages in a crunchy coating. Look at that. Alright, we're up to the snack row, guys. Veggie chips variety box, 32 pack, $19.99. Australian snack company. Veggie chips, different flavors. Not bad, if you're into that. What are these ones? Baked pea crisps. Gosh, I've never tried these. You guys, baked pea crisps. Salted peas, 50 pack for $21.99. Veggie curls. 20 pack of veggie curls. This must be the healthy section of snacks. $17.99 for the veggie curls. Interesting. Veggie straws. Sour cream and herb veggie straws. That's what they look like. 40 bags for, oh, they're on special. $13.99 for 40 bags. And here we have mixed multi-pack of rice wheels and potato sticks. $16.98 for 30 packs. It's the flavors there. cheeseburger flavor. Oh, nice. Roast potato flavor. Here we have family faves chickpea chips. Wow, a lot of variety. Cheeseburger flavor. I've never had chickpea chips. Churros, have to give them a go one day. Alright, Jumpies potato snacks. Let's have a look here. Jumpies 40 pack. Jumpies chicken flavor potato snacks, $19.99. Cheetos, $19.99 for a 40 pack of Cheetos. 20 puffs and 20 bowls. The Cheetos, and then we're on to Pringle cans. 6 cans of cheeseburger flavored Pringles, $16.98 for 6 cans. Cheeseburger flavor. Never had that before. And we have 30 pack box of, what are they, sour cream and onion Pringles, $14.99 for 30 little mini bags. Red Rock Deli, 40 little mini packs for $24.99. My kids love, well, I love the honey soy chicken. That's so nice. Recommend those, guys. Sweet chili and sour cream and sea salt. 40 packs in there for $24.99. Got the Smith's Favorites variety pack, 66 packs for $21.99. And you get the original salty salt and vinegar, Doritos Cheese Supreme, and my favorite, the Twisties. When we get this, I eat all the Twisties out of it. These are pretty yummy. Yummy snacks. Pizza pockets. 3 cheese pizza pockets, $19.99. 10 individual served. Look really nice. I've never seen these before. Cheese buddy. Let's have a look. Cheese bread. Gluten free. Parmesan and cheddar. Frozen, ready to bake. Brazilian style cheese bread. Gluten free though. Pretty cool. Sound yummy. I haven't seen this before. Banana flavored milk. $29.99 for 24 pack. Korea's #1, must be #1 milk. Banana flavored milk drink. That sounds yummy. I have to give that a go one time. Kellogg's Mega Variety Pack. 25 different packs of cereal for $18.49. You get Rice Bubbles, Fruit Loops, Cocoa Pops, Nutri-Grain and cornflakes. Just found these fruit faves. Dried fruit snack packs, $17.99. Dried fruit is pretty light. 15 mini packs dried fruit snacks. Good for the kids' lunch boxes. 100% Australian. Nice. Chocolate brownie snacks. My kids would love these. 40 little mini packs in there. Oh, labeled for resale. Oh, individually packaged. Real Belgian chocolate. Moist and fudgy. Yeah, these would go down well in my kids' lunch boxes. $22.99. Here we have Hello Panda. 30 packets of Hello Panda. Never had these before. Fun-filled biscuit treats. Biscuits with chocolate filling. 30 packets of those is, it's not bad, $12.99. My kids love these Nutella bars. 15 Nutella bars. Separately wrapped. $9.99 for a 15 pack of those. Nice, crispy, full of Nutella. Yeah, can recommend those. Tiny Teddies, 42 packs of little lunchbox packets of Tiny Teddies for $16.98. My son has one of these in his lunchbox most days. You get choc chip, chocolate and honey. 42 packs for $16.98. 80 little mini bags of Oreos are $25.99. Also a favorite at my house in the lunch boxes. 80 of the mini Oreo. Yeah, they're little packets with little mini Oreos in them. So cute. If you're a fan of Biscoff, you can get value pack 4 packets of the Biscoff cookies, $13.99 for 4 packets, kilo pack. 42 pack of LCM bars. These are pretty cool. 42 individually wrapped packs, unicorn, split sticks, and Kaleidos chocolate ones. Look pretty nice. $16.98 for those. And here we have baked OT slices. 36 pack of those for $16.98. Well, that's a heavy box too, they're dense. 18 bars of golden oats and 18 of the choc chip. 36 Milo snack bars dipped in white chocolate. Oh, they look nice. Source of fiber. 36 of those for $20.99 for that big box. Berry and nut bars, $18.99 for 20 of these berry and nut bars. Now they are nice. They've had a sample of these here before at Costco, and they're very nice, full of fruit and nuts.
Sorry, Dan. Yep, okay. More coming out in a moment.
Right. We've got some noodles. Homemade spicy shin ramen noodles. Nice and hot. The chocolate section, I love it. It's like a big candy store. Love this part of Costco. 50 chocolate bars, Snickers and Mars, $47.99. And they're the full-size bars. They're the proper full-size Snickers and Mars bars. So less than $1 a bar. If you buy them like that. Wagon meals, 16 wagon meals. What? So they $20.99. Not bad. Kit Kat, 4 fingers, so the big Kit Kats. $57.99. 48 Kit Kat bars, and here my favorite, cherry ripe. 48 cherry ripe bars. Oh, that's heavy. Oh gosh. For $55.99. 64 Freddo frogs. 64 bag, individually wrapped. $15.99. The kids love them. They go down well with the kids. And 50 of the little mini Kit Kat bars for $14.99. The little 2-piece mini packs. 50 bars for $14.99. Sun-kissed fruit pouches. How much are they? 80 pack for $21.99. Mixed fruit, little gummies, I think, in there. Made in Turkey. Oh. Yeah, 80 pack of those for $21.99. Hello.
How are you?
Thank you. Good, thanks. Alright, lunchtime. Just sticking with the usual. Chicken bake. And a slice of barbecue meat pizza. And then 2 drinks. Oh, there's no sundaes. I'm not going for the hot dog or the chicken burger today. We've got $11.96 total. Alright, lunchtime. We've got our barbecue meat pizza here. Look at all that meat. And we've got a chicken bake. Nice and hot. Look at that filling. Yummy. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And hopefully we'll see you next time. We are back at Costco. Bye.